Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm coming to you with a fashion police type video. I'm going to be rating the Met Gala looks that we got for 2019. Funny thing, I didn't even know the Met Gala was today. I was taking a nap today after a really long day. I wake up, I go on Instagram and I'm looking at all these Met Gala looks and I'm like, wait, are these from last year? Because I do not remember these one bit. So I said, I need to get up right now at this moment, point blank, period, no tampon, no fallopian tube, no ovaries, and get started on this video. I'm just gonna be going on Twitter, which is the most reliable source for all things that are happening right now. Let's be completely honest. Also, yes, I do have purple hair. Hey, what's going on? So I just typed in Met Gala on a Twitter and I'm going to go ahead and get to the side so I can show you guys the looks I'm talking about. And also, please don't take this personal if you guys are in love with these celebrities. I personally love a lot of these celebrities and I did find some of the outfits to be not so all that. It's just based off of what they're wearing, not based off of them as a person. So the first person that we have here is Billy Porter. I think that this is a really different outfit. It's really majestic. I do like that it is majestic, but I feel like overall the catsuit is just not doing it for me. It looks a little odd, but I feel like the thing that I do like about this outfit is the gold wings. I feel like the black base on the catsuit is just kind of throwing me off. I feel like it should have been a different shade. Maybe if this was just like a gold monochrome look, I would have digged it a lot better, but the black on the catsuit is just kind of making it not my favorite. But the headpiece and the makeup, phenomenal. Also, I'm really sad that Rihanna didn't show up. Everyone's saying, why didn't Rihanna show up to the Met Gala? This is her event. The next year, she's going to show the fudge out. It's 2020. She's gonna show out. Next is Cara Delevingne. She came out with this rainbow outfit. I have to say that I do not like this outfit. I think my favorite part about it is probably her makeup, but the rest of it, I just feel like it's very tacky. Cara, she's an amazing model. She's an amazing actress as well. She's super talented, but this is just not it for me. I don't think it's cute at all, but I do have to say that I do love the heels. Bling down and rainbow, those look amazing, but the rest of it, I just don't know. The headpiece is pretty cool. I like how it's very abstract. I don't like that one very much. Next is Kendall and Kylie Jenner. These have to be one of my favorite looks. These were actually one of the first pictures that I saw about the Met Gala on Instagram stories, and I said, what? Is today the Met Gala? But they look amazing. I feel like they are both freaking-less. The previous year, I think that they were very low-key with their Met Gala looks, and I feel like this year they stepped up 110%. So I'm very excited about this look. Kylie, first off, let's start with Kylie. I think Ariel did it if I'm not mistaken, but Ariel, you did that. Her under eye is so flawless. Like, I feel like I'm being slapped in the face with perfect makeup. I want to do a makeup look like that. She looks absolutely flawless. Like, that's all I can say. Her wig is laid. The lavender shade on her hair looks flawless. These two looks are so far my favorite looks from the Met Gala 2019. So we have Kylie with this beautiful form-fitting dress, hugs her body like no other. This dress is so beautiful, and then we do have that feathering at the bottom. It looks like the dress is kind of made out of some type of mesh lace. It's see-through but very tasteful. And for Miss Kendall Jenner, she is looking like a fiery Victoria's Secret angel. Her hair is sleeked back with a Superman curl. I'm in love with that. I think that is the cutest little touch ever. She has a beautiful form-fitting dress. It looks like it's see-through mesh. The only things that are covering up her areas is just the tassels, which I'm living for. And then she does have that feathering going on as well. Super cute. They complement each other very well. I think they did 20 out of 10 amazing. As for hairstyles, I have like a love-hate relationship with this. I feel like he looks great, but at the same time, I feel like he could have done more. Sleeves look a little bit too cheap. They could have looked a little bit more done up and luxurious looking. The top looks like something that you can get in the fall time at Forever 21. I feel like he needed a little something. He needed a little bit of spice to go along with this outfit. But I do appreciate that you can see through his sleeves because you can see the tats makes it a little bit more edgy. And now for Jared Leto. Adore this look. This look is very different. He is rocking this beautiful red silk turtleneck gown, and it looks phenomenal on him. He does have a head of himself. Very creative, but a little creepy, I have to say. And then he has all these jewels, all this jewel chain going on. It's plain and straightforward and luxurious and looks like he nailed it to the T. Now for Miss Gigi Hadid. Gigi outdid herself. This one, she looks majestic. She looks unreal. Let me just start off with the makeup. It looks like there's icicles coming off of her eyes. This is unbelievable. I can't even start with this. I feel like this look is very straightforward and minimalistic, but at the same time it screams a fantasy look. The catsuit, the headpiece, and the duster, it's just one beautiful monochromatic look, and she's killing it. Oh my gosh, I just about freaking gasped at Lily Collins. This is my first time seeing Lily Collins look. She looks like a modern day Lana Del Rey mixed with Marina and the Diamonds. Her makeup and her hair, I can't get enough of this. Oh my freaking gosh. Like, I almost want to recreate this entire whole look. She looks phenomenal. Skin is white as snow. She's literally the real life version of Snow White, and I'm living for it. Her lashes super full, the inner corner liner, the lavender on her eyes. It contrasts beautifully with the ivory outfit that she has on. The flowers in her hair and her super high hair is really giving me Lana vibes, and then with a touch of Marina, like I said before, and her dress just looks amazing. She looks like $1,000,000. She looks like she comes from royalty. It does have a high-low. That has never been my favorite, but she is just bringing it back. It looks amazing on her. I paired it with the perfect pumps. Pointy and super high, so girl. Lily, you killed it. Definitely on my top 2 of my favorite Met Gala looks. So let's talk about Zendaya for a second. I have always been a fan of Zendaya. She's so sweet, she's so intelligent and so beautiful, but I feel like she really did kill this look, but I feel like her makeup could have been done so much better. She tried to do like a Cinderella type look, and I do think that it's super cute that she left her glass slipper on the carpet. 100% she did kill the Cinderella look, but I do wish that she kind of made it a little bit more flattering to her body shape, because I feel like this look did kind of take her over. So I get that the Met Gala is supposed to be super dramatic, her huge pillows that she has on her shoulders, but like I said, the theme, she killed it. I just feel like she could have wore something a little bit more flattering. And now for Emirata's look. She has stolen my heart. This look is unbelievable. When I saw it, the first thing that I saw was her beautiful headpiece. She looks like the most expensive, luxurious, majestic, beautiful butterfly, and she just looks like money. She looks like majestic money. Her abs are popping. Oh, I just noticed her hair. So her hair is slicked back in the front, and then she has this beautiful wavy textured hair in the back. I keep saying this, but I feel like she is my top 3. And now for Miss Nicki Minaj herself. This is kind of like a love-hate relationship again. I don't know exactly. I can't really put my finger on what I don't like about this look. And then there's also something that's just kind of like throwing me off. I'm not sure what it is. I think the one thing that I don't like too much is the fact that it is high-low. I feel like it's such like a blunt cut, and then all of a sudden you see the ballerina type heels. You have like this super long train. I feel like this dress should have been long. It shouldn't have been short at all, and I feel like maybe the crisscrossing on her heels are just kind of a little too much. I feel like there's a little too much going on. I want to know your guys' opinion on Nicki Minaj down below. But the detailing on the dress, I do love it. I would definitely wear this dress if it was a full gown. Like, I love it and I hate it. And for Cardi B, I love Cardi B. She is everything. She's so funny and very talented on top of that. So I think her look was fantastic. She looks like she has feathers all over. She has all this beautiful quilting and texture and this beautiful headpiece that covers her neck. She did it. That was it. Oh my goodness. Okay, Kristen Stewart. Girl, I loved you in Twilight, but I have to say, I feel like this look is just so odd. I appreciate when people try to look different and go all out of the box, just make a statement, but Kristen, I feel like everything was just not a look. I know she was going for like that very grunge look, but I feel like she's off theme. I feel like everyone else looks very majestic, and she just kind of looks like she came from Forever 21. The one thing that I do like is her Chanel belt. It looks very dainty and pretty. The hair looks like she spray painted it with that Halloween hairspray. The necklaces, I don't like it. I know that they're from Chanel and everything, but just because it's designer doesn't mean that it's fashion. This was the meanest I've ever been with any outfit or celebrity. I feel so mean. Now for Halsey. Halsey looked beautiful. To me, she looked like a warrior princess, but I do feel like she did play it a little bit safe, plain Jane, but I do appreciate how she styled it by adding all of these gold pieces and cuffs and earrings. I think it's really cute. Like, she's plain Jane, but in the best way possible. You know, she didn't overdo it. She didn't underdo it too much. She's just there. Okay, now for Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus has been my girl since Hannah Montana. I've loved Miley since the beginning, but Miley, you look beautiful. ball, but I feel like you're definitely underdressed for this occasion. I feel like you should have pulled those crazy outfits from before for now. You look beautiful, like I said, but it's just not the theme, and I feel like you could have just outdone yourself way more. The asymmetry of her dress looks beautiful on her, the color looks beautiful on her, but again, it just wasn't working for the theme. Now for Miss Kim Kardashian and Kanye. Kanye severely underdressed. I mean, that's Kanye's style, but if you're gonna be going to the Met Gala, I feel like you need to be stepping it up, outdoing yourself. But Kim, flawless. I mean, when doesn't Kim look flawless? She looks so good. The definition of a golden goddess, and her hair just complements the whole outfit very well. It looks like she's dripping. It looks like raindrops all over her body. So this looks beautiful. Oh my god, no freaking way. Jennifer Lopez in Versace. Can I have a top 4? Because if I can have a top 4, I'm definitely putting Jennifer Lopez on the top 4. She is glistening. It looks like she's dripping in diamonds from head to toe. It looks like she has a hint of like a lime shade with the lavender and a soft pink. It's just like a beautiful gradient. Her jewelry, her necklace goes perfectly with the lavender. What can I say? It's J-Lo. She looks flawless. So I couldn't ignore Dua Lipa's look. Her look is the definition of an evil queen. I have no words. She looks beautiful. I'm living for the big hair. Small little opening here on her chest makes everything, and I love how her dress is peplum, so it makes her hips look wider, and then it goes straight down as a gown. She took my breath away. She looked amazing. And now lastly for Lady Gaga, she had 4 different changes. Can I just say, she killed it. If I was Lady Gaga, I would have 4 changes too. I'm not even blaming her. So these 2 here were my favorites. The one of her in the pink and the one of her in the black with the umbrella. First off, let's start with these. So the pink one just makes her look like a doll. It looks like she's a little limited edition, super expensive Barbie doll. I love it. It's just crazy. It's out there, and I mean, it's Lady Gaga. Like, what did you expect? Her platinum bob cut, the black sleek dress. It has a bunch of volume on the bottom, very beautiful, very ball-like, and then she threw in that accent with the umbrella, which I thought was super clever, and she's just everything. These 2 were not necessary. She doesn't look bad at all. It's just that I feel like this pink dress right here, something that you could easily get at Fashion Nova. It doesn't look Met Gala worthy, and then the glasses, I feel like it was just too much. This black look here, I love the heels, but I feel like this look just didn't like go. It just wasn't ethereal. I feel like this is something that she could have worn somewhere else, but just definitely not at the Met Gala. So that was all for my Met Gala fashion police type video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun doing this. If you guys want some future videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and hit that thumbs up to help me out. It really does help me out a lot. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite look was. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.